turn around. Sexiness and going to water by now.
Of course, sexy me, pretty pan inside. I'm going to the water now with First Lady mine. So watch us. Enjoy everything you see, okay? And subscribe to our channel. Not my channel, no, our channel.
Yes, guys.
Okay? Stay tuned. Guys, the water cool, see? Goodbye! Hey!
One chance, call me a try. Feel like a little boy that come in and is forcing himself to go on every day. So.
The water now pass me, you know? It now pass me.
It passed any already, look. Dip, dip. Dip. Dip, charm.
What else? People, the water cool is I understand why some people don't feel the water cool.
I lie. The water about 30 degrees. You want to swim, charm? Swim. But the water catch up your neck. Bend down, charm. Relax, just relax. Relax. Smile, me take picture.
Look, no. Me swim.
Listen, charm. I'm gonna talk to you.
Nice. Come on, learn today. It's another day, not
Swim go there, so.
Come swim.
I can't swim. The dog come, me charm.
Come swim at my video.
No.
Guys, the water is good. Hey, I need to do this more often. I really need to do this more often. I really spend a good time. Whoa. But chat too much. Oh my God. Love that one.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. No, I'm going to go test us. What time of that float, you know?
Well, float.
Hey.
Try.
You don't say you want me to sing?
Try.
Why? You have to come try show me.
Me can't float. I'm show you. Try. We'll go out this one and the float come.
Alright. The swimmer gone swim. Yes. Okay, watch the swimmer. She better than me. Of course, more than mad French Jamaican family.
The sardine.
Guys, it is so. That's the sound of the train, guys, but you can't see it. Wow, look at nature. It's all nature. Look here, people. And just because she see me come here with a blue bath suit, she got put on the same color. It was not planned. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for more. Hey guys, I am really enjoying my time here with Moy, and I am treated. I am treated. I can't complain. And if you're planning on coming to the south of France for a vacation, Moy is the place to be. You will not regret a moment of it, as I am enjoying it now. And I'm not just saying that, I'm enjoying it. You're seeing that I am enjoying it. I am enjoying it. Take a look at the place. It's like country. This is bush. Look at the environment. Look. It's bush. It's cool. Look at it. Lovely view. Lovely place to be. Yeah? So stay tuned for more. Now tell me what you do, Miss, on my video. Look for sexy my people. Look for slim chick. A slim chick that you know. Sexy chicken. Turn, give them a front view now, miss. Give them a front view now. No.
Champion bubbler. The champion bubbler at number. A long time you not hear that, don't you?
My back is down a block.
No. I'm not dancing about it. But what a coincidence. Me and Charm never planned to put on same color bathsuit, you know. Charm put on fear and fear the under clothes. And I go upstairs and put on semi one. When I come out, me and this woman have on same clothes. Same one piece, tie back, tie round neck. Listen to the sound of nature. You see the water, guys? Water clean and pretty like whistle. Look there. The water clean and pretty like whistle.
Well, only if it's nice.
Yeah.
You want a relaxation. You want a bit of relaxation. This is a very nice spot to spread your towel and just relax and listen to some music.
Yeah.
And just chill till you're ready to go home.
Of course.
You know, it's nice.
I see as far as I can shoot my water and the water blue and pretty. Or whatever color they want to call it, but the water
That is giving us a green color, not a blue look. It's a green look now.
yes, but the water clear like crystal.
Yeah.
Look there. Look at me see I'm good on there. The water full nice. Oh, I don't know if I can reach. Let me show you the water. But look the people. The water pretty? The water clear and pretty? Water clear and pretty like wow. I'll fish in the water, try to see fish or so. When I see blink and see fish right there so. You swim gone out there so. Come again at number. When I Charm new name, look out people at number coming up. Lady, where you going? Stop, don't move. Me tell when they come. I'm going to show the people them first and then they come for you. Don't move. Come people. Make Charm feel like our vacation. But you're not going with nothing. There's quite a few people over there. Come Charm. Take your time and come. Come, take your time. Close your eyes and come. Close your eyes and let me tell you when you come. Come. Give me a hand. Stretch out your hand in front of you. Come. Come, Sadame. Come, open your eyes now.